away. Always seems to be constant moving. I'm on the go as if.
Hi guys and welcome. This is me, JBRose, singing vegan mum. I hope everybody is doing fine out there. But before I carry on, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that bell button so every time I put up a new video you'll catch me. Anyway, I do new videos every Sunday. So what am I making today? I'm going to continue with the sweet treats, and today I'm going to make a banana cookie. Really simple, really easy. It's crispy on the outside and nice and soft inside. Also guys, watch to the end of the video where I'll be giving you updates on my music and also what's just been happening in general in my world. So guys, let's get into it. Really simple recipe, banana cookies. This is 1.5 cups of butter, 3/4 of my coconut sugar. Lovely. This is all-purpose flour, self-raising flour, 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, and then this is 1/2 teaspoon of cornstarch. I want it to be soft and delicious. And then we're just gonna sieve our ingredients. Then a little bit of salt, just a little dash of salt, and then some vanilla, about a teaspoon of vanilla. Then I've got a banana. I'm just gonna mash a banana. I hope this is big enough really. This is the same plate as the butter and everything, so I'm gonna mash up the banana. We're gonna add the mashed banana to the rest of our ingredients, and then now we're just going to bring it all together. I'm just going to put it in another bowl. This is too big to go in the freezer, because that's exactly what we're going to do. We're going to put this mixture in the freezer for 15 minutes. I'm going to cover it up. So it's nice and cold and cool, and all I'm going to do is take a tablespoon of the thing. Oops, I'm going to roll it like that, and I'm going to put it on my baking tray and just press it down a little bit. Oops. And then we just carry on. Just gonna flatten them down a bit. Sprinkle them all with a little bit of sugar on top, a little bit of sugar. Love is going really well still. Lots of people are playing it. People are hitting me up, telling me how much the song really uplifts them, makes them feel happy, of which I'm very happy to hear. In my back garden, I did a little small online performance which will be shown at the Back to Love Festival. So look out for that. There'll be adverts going out advertising me singing along with Carol Thompson singing at the Back to Love Festival. So look out for it. Check it out. Go online. Book your tickets. It's $4.99 for the first 100 people. Back to Love Festival. I'll be singing Back to Love and a couple of other songs from my album which is coming out end of the year. As well as making my banana biscuits, I actually made coconut biscuits. Same recipe, but I added coconut to it. Delicious. And both of these cookies, should I say, are going with me to the place where I'm performing tomorrow on Sunday. I'm not saying anymore. Zip, 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 zip. Anyway, guys, let's give it the taste test. Now, before we taste anything, you know what we've got to do. When it comes to biscuit and cakes, of course, we need to have some tea, right? Here's my cup of tea. And we are going to taste the banana biscuits. I'm going to take a small one. And as I said, it is delicious, this cookie. It is crunchy on the outside, but lovely and soft on the inside. And I am going to taste it for you and let you know how it tastes. Really nice, crunchy, and very soft inside. It reminds me of a bit like a scone, to be honest, but it's nice. Especially with a cup of tea. Delish. For healthy vegan recipes, you know what? I'm your girl. I'm your girl.
No more stress, gotta get up now.